So, hi, hello. This week is very exciting because guess who bought a house? So we're moving tomorrow, in fact. I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm all of those things. We're gonna go up to the house in a little bit and I'll show you guys. It's in a new neighborhood too, so it's a big change for me. To the house, I'm vlogging, and I am totally surprised, you guys. I started crying a little bit. Thank you guys so much. This is so nice. It looks so different now that it's empty. I'm stressing right now. All the stuff I was supposed to do last night, I did not do. I was like, I'm gonna wake up hella early and do it. Did that happen? It did not. I'm going to get a coffee from 7-Eleven because I was like, that is non-negotiable. Dang, dude, that coffee was only 99 cents. I swear, like, this cold brew stuff is so good. I'm converted, like, no more Starbucks for me. And by the way, I got the big gulp of coffee. I'm like, please give me the strength to do what I need to do right now. Place is completely empty. I'm gonna head up to the new house, and this is my last time here. Just kidding, I'll be back. I'll be back tomorrow because we still have stuff to do with. But still, move is moving along great. But dude, old people problems, like, I don't know what I did, but my lower back like really hurts. So I feel like it has stalled my progress because like right now, you know, they're loading everything in. I should be like unpacking everything, but I'm like, oof, my back. But everything's going good. I had my second big gulp coffee today. I don't even know if I vlogged that. It's been so crazy, but I haven't eaten anything. I'm fading. I need to eat. My back is hurting. I don't know what's happening with my hair. I had never ordered the Flying Dutchman from In-N-Out, but I saw it on Instagram, so I ordered it. And by the look of it, not what I was expecting. So, I forgot to mention that I also had a double protein style in the car on the way home from In-N-Out. The Flying Dutchman, like, I don't know why people are making a big deal of it. Yes, I did eat the whole thing. But I think protein style is way better. Let's look on the Carb Manager app and see how many calories that is and how many net carbs that is. What? 11 grams total net carbs? Oh wait, 8 grams net carbs. I don't get it. Dutchman by In-N-Out. 0 grams of net carbs? Oh, okay, I see the appeal. 30 grams of protein, 28 grams of fat. Oh, 380 calories. Add to today. I'm gonna guess because I had 2 extremely large coffees. Actually, 1.5 extremely large coffees. So I'm just gonna add in the heavy cream. I'm gonna say that I had 4 tablespoons, but I have no idea how much I had. Wow, so I've had 1,000 calories today. So 10 grams of net carbs. That's not that bad. Good morning, guys. I am yet again at drive-through Starbucks, and I was looking up the nutritional facts on these I'm so tired. Bacon, egg, sous vide bites, or just the egg sous vide bites from Starbucks, because I actually got 2 orders yesterday because I'm being a fatty. All right, so I got the egg whites, It has 12 grams of carbs, and a bitch got the bacon and whatever gouri cheese, I can't pronounce that. That has 9 grams of carbs. You gotta be careful, Chrisspy, because you're blowing it. Okay, update. I leave for France tomorrow. I'm excited, but I just have so much stuff to do. Dude, this bitch at Starbucks tried to poison me with sugar. What will happen to me? I knew it. I knew when I tasted that Starbucks that it's the sweetener did not taste right. I already drank a lot too. I had several big sips. I think I need like a nap or like a hug right now. So I'm gonna take down this pile of boxes next. I got my desk all set up. I'm gonna put some little probably books and decorations on my shelves. And then, dude, there's so much packing paper. I figure instead of stuffing it into garbage bags, I'm gonna flatten it out and try and fold it up and recycle it. I just went through these things. They're from the Container Store. So I just have kind of like office supplies in here. My little art drawer. I feel so bad for Gremlin because she's been so stressed out throughout the whole move. Here I have all my books. Some of them are still from school, but I loved this book. And like, I don't know, it just has so much like significance to me. Like, I loved this book and I took like crazy notes. Like, I loved Don Quixote. This was like a comparative literature class I had at UCLA, but this book like meant so much to me. Twilight? Who put that there? My friend got me a wand from Ollivander's. I'm like, I could never get rid of that because I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. Here's Morgan, who's like someone really close to our family who passed away. I love this picture of him. And then my brother gave this to me for Christmas, my older brother Bobby. We went to Dubai together, and so this is just like a nice way to remember the trip. So all of this stuff I'm gonna put up on my bookshelves. And like most of my books are like self-help books. And I have bookmarks about a quarter way through of so many of these books. My oldest brother, I have 3 brothers actually. This was his dictionary. He was a English major at UCLA. He's super, super smart, like really good writer and everything. So he gave me his dictionary and thesaurus. So I like these. Oh, Dante, this was another comparative lit book. This one was so friggin' cool too. This was one that I really, really loved too. I guess I didn't have that many notes, but what else do we have? Oh my God, Brain Over Binge. This is perfect. So one of my followers recommended this to me, and I've heard a lot of good things about it, that it has helped a lot of people get over their binge eating. Admittedly, I haven't even checked it out yet, but I definitely want to because obviously binging is something I deal with. So if anyone has checked out this book, definitely leave a comment down below and let's talk about it. And as my homework, I'm gonna read this because I should, and I'll tell you guys what I think too. Gremlin is here with Royce. This is where she's gonna be staying while I'm on my trip. You're not even gonna miss me, are you? She's gonna be staying with Auntie Alma.
She said, no. Hi. You gonna miss me?
Alan, I'm about to take off to Paris. Alan and I just had a sincere moment, and now we're gonna stage the house. Is it doing it right? So this gets rid of all the old or bad energy. Okay, good stuff. Cool. So I am on my way to the airport now. I don't know, I want to just like leave all the stress of moving behind and just like now be like, okay, you're on vacation mode, just enjoy it, have fun, and worry about everything else when you get back. My best friend Leanne is coming on this trip with me, so I'm super, super excited. She has been literally my best friend since kindergarten, so you guys are gonna meet her very soon. So today all I've had is coffee. I got an iced coffee, 4 pumps of the sugar-free cinnamon dolce, and then I got the Starbucks egg sous vide bites, the bacon and some sort of cheese, I don't know how to pronounce, which are the ones that I think they have like 9 grams of carbs, so I gotta watch my carbs for the rest of the day. But yeah, like this week has not been optimal in terms of nutrition. I've just been basically on a coffee diet and been running nonstop. And I haven't been to the gym. I haven't been to the gym since last, what was it, like Saturday? But I have to say, I haven't been to the gym, but moving, I was moving. Like it was a lot of work. I was sweating, I was exhausted. Like honestly, like my legs are exhausted just from like being on my feet all day long. And I've been waking up a lot earlier than I normally wake up. I'm not gonna weigh myself because I'm growing and progressing and being like, that's not as important. So yeah, I'm gonna weigh myself when I get back. So I feel like that kind of incentivizes me to eat right, try and get some workouts in. The schedule in Paris looks pretty packed. Of course, it'd be great to get a workout in, but I think the bigger challenge for me is just gonna be sticking to the diet and not overdoing it with alcohol, because that is always where I mess up. By the way, after saging the house, my new hair, I smell like fireplace, a bonfire. I don't know, it smells like cigarettes even. Like I smell smoky. I don't really know the protocol with that, but I was like, we need to get every corner. So it was so smoky in there. I was walking around for so long, like, and in my mind, like sometimes if I wasn't like focusing on like cleansing the energy, I'd like go back and do another area, and I probably smell real smoky.
This is crazy. Just got this gift from Air France, y'all.
Some slippers, chic and mask. Guess what I ran into? Yeah.